All right, question B. We are going to turn this table into an equation. That's right, a linear equation in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is equal to slope, which, by the way, is also equal to rise divided by run, so that's a ratio. And b is equal to the y-intercept. Now, the y-intercept occurs on the y-axis. So if I have a graph, the y-axis has an x value of 0 all the way up and down this line. So that means the y-intercept occurs when x is 0. All right, when x is 0, in this case, the independent variable is 0. The dependent, or the c value, is 34. So right now I know that the b value is 34. Now the slope is a wee bit trickier. So we are going to look at the change, the vertical change, of the graph, of the table. And vertical change is changes going up and down. Well, that's rise. So the change here is going to be the rise, whereas the change here is going to be the run. So I'm just going to go down this table. So the difference between 34 and 41.5, so that's 6 to get to 40, 7 to 41, so that's 7.5. Between these two is a difference of 5. Between these two, we have a difference of, oh, that's 7.5 again, interesting. And then between these two, we have a difference of 5. Now, on the surface, this may not look like a linear table, but wait. Let's look at the run here. So that's 2, 3, 2. All right, so every time we have a run of 3, we have a rise of 7.5. And every time we have a run of 2, we have a rise of 5. So here's the big question. Does 7.5 over 3 equal, oh, that's a 3. Does it equal, that's an actual mathematical symbol that you can use, 5 over 2? Well, let's figure this out. So 7.5 divided 0.5, there you come up. You can do it. Divided by 3 is 2.5. 5 divided by 2 is also 2.5. We have a constant rate of change. Would you believe that, Miss Stoddard?
That is the year we're in, yes.
Constant rate of change. And that constant rate of change is 2.5. That means our m value is equal to 2.5. So let's turn that into a y equals mx plus b equation. So y is equal to, and now y is just a variable, it's not going to change. Or in this case, y is going to be c. So I'm going to write it using the variables that the problem gives us.
I've always thought it was so appropriate that the letter y should be associated with math.
Very funny, Mrs. Stein.
Miss Belay and I decided there should be a new t-shirt that just says, we'll just figure it out.
All right, and so this blank here is going to be for my rise, which is 2.5. This blank is going to be for my b value, my y-intercept, which is 34. So my equation for the table is 2.5n, c is equal to 2.5n plus 34.